Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see more information on our YouTube channel by going to newtonnissan.com, looking up in the top right hand corner and clicking on the YouTube icon. So there's a lot of other tutorial videos on there, and there's also car walkarounds. Now, we're demonstrating the navigation system on the 2018.5 Nissan Rogue Sport SL model. So I want to get in tight here. I want to show you several things, but I'll try not to make this video too long for you, okay? There's the map is already displaying. This button over here that says nav, when you press that, you're going more to the command function. Like if you wanted to program in a home address, which I've programmed in here, you could do it by GPS, or I could change that, make sure that you're on the correct state, then go to your house number and city number, and it'll bump you through that system. So it's very intuitive, very easy to use. But that's where you would program in your home address, is right there. Or you can program that you want to go to a particular street address, like to a person you met at church and everybody's gathering at the house, and you want to program that in. You'd hit that street address, and then it can calculate a route for you. Okay, so you want to do that right over here, and then if you want to go back to your map, just click on that, and it comes back out to here. Now, on the buttons on here, you can zoom in, get yourself closer. You can zoom out. Okay. There's various options that you can do. That options menu will take you back to this, same as the button here. Okay. All right. So that's like a quick way to get there. That zooms you in and out. This is that you can mark a place on the map. Okay. Okay. Touch to mark destination. For example, right? So you can mark a destination by doing that. Okay. Off of that. This right here looks like a little icon with a little headset, okay? That's for non-emergency based Nissan assistance. Now you'll want to be subscribed to Nissanconnect Services to make full use of that feature, okay? For emergency calls, you'll see up here where you keep your sunglasses, there's an SOS in red. That's for emergency, that's for non-emergency, okay? When you have Nissanconnect Services. Okay, come over here to the right-hand side, you'll notice that there's a moon and a sun, okay? That's to switch this display from night mode to day mode. You'll notice that when you click it, there's a little bar graph right here that you can go plus and minus to control how dim or how light it is, and you're using the same button that you use for tune and for scroll on the radio is the same button that you're using for that feature. That only appears for about 4 seconds, so you need to be kind of fast on getting to it in order to utilize that, okay? All right, so we covered just some of the basics of doing that. This map, you can it is a touch screen, okay? So it will manipulate a little bit there by just touching the screen itself when you're on the map. You can always back out or close in to get a closer viewpoint, okay? Your commands are back over here with the nav, okay? Additionally, let me go to here. What I did was I went to apps where it says apps and I for information. Comes up in apps and information. See where it says voice commands? See where it says navigation? That's, it is a voice activated navigation, but you may not know all the commands that you can use. The car has a lot of them just stored right here. So you could go over here onto your steering wheel. This is your command button, and this is to close off a call or close out a command, okay? So you can press this, and voice recognition, you can say something like, navigation, and then you can say street address is one of the commands, points of interest, okay, home, address book, previous destinations, and so forth, okay? So very intuitive. That's where the voice command button is, and you reach that by going to information right here, going to voice commands, going to navigation, and then you can scroll down here and you can learn all the different things that you can say that the system could recognize, okay? All right, so that'll cover that. All right, well, my video is nearly now 5 minutes long, so it's getting a little bit long. This right here, this little icon up here, that's for the telematics system that states that the vehicle is receiving that telecommunications there from that to the car, so it is receiving for the telematics system. So that's related to Nissanconnect, but it is there showing when you're on your navigation, so I wanted to explain that to you. So hopefully That gives you more information about your navigation system. Of course, when you purchase a vehicle, we have Nissan experts on the ground, sales associates that are very knowledgeable to be able to explain and show you how to use the system. So hopefully that makes you more comfortable with it. We thank you for watching, and visit us at NewtonNissan.com and click on that YouTube video to see other helpful videos on vehicles.